So, we are going to be learning about adjectives today. We learned about adjectives earlier this year. Do you remember what they are? They are words that describe. So we were doing a lot of writing with adjectives. You might remember this was like probably in the fall that I did a PowerPoint each day with a picture on it. And we came up with as many describing words as we could about the picture, and I wrote them on the board. And then you guys would go back to your seats and write about the picture using those describing words. And we did that for a couple weeks, right? Each day I gave you a new picture. Is this ringing a bell? I hope. So we're gonna do a little bit of review today on adjectives because I wanna make sure that you guys totally know what they are before you move on to second grade. We're getting to that time of year where I'm really trying to make sure that you guys are ready for next year. So today you guys are gonna be looking for an adjective in a sentence. So it's a word that is going to describe something. It'll describe a noun. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. So an adjective is going to be describing something. So I'm going to read you this sentence, and I want you to stop and think about what the describing word is in the sentence. Her dog has soft fur. Which word describes? I'll give you a hint. It is describing the word fur. It's describing how the fur feels. It's the word soft, right? Soft is describing the fur. I didn't need to put the word soft in this sentence. I could have just said, her dog has fur, right? But when I add in that word, it helps me to be able to picture it. It helps the person who's reading the sentence to be able to picture what that fur was really like. All right, so now I have another sentence down here. This sentence has 3 adjectives in it, okay? So I want you to listen, and I'll give you some think time to try to come up with what the 3 adjectives are, okay? So listen carefully. This past weekend was warm, sunny, and breezy. This past weekend was warm, sunny, and breezy. My 3 adjectives that described the weekend were warm, sunny, and breezy, okay? So now I want to point out when you are listing more than one adjective, you are going to put commas in between them, okay? So do you see that I have warm, and then I put a comma, and then I put sunny, and then I put a comma, and then breezy. You need to put a comma between each one. So now let's go back up to this sentence. I'm going to add another adjective to this one. So instead of just saying soft, I'm going to add in brown. How about that? So her dog has soft brown fur. So watch what happens. I'm going to write her dog has soft brown fur. Do you see that I put a comma in there in between soft and brown, which are my 2 adjectives? Okay, so, all right, let me write down your pages, and then I'm gonna go over what you guys will be doing today. So you're gonna be doing page, I believe it's 185. Oh my goodness. No, 186, 186. I messed up. Page 186 and 190. Now I just lost my other one. Oh my goodness. Oh, good Lord. Oh, 192. Sorry, guys. Okay. So on these pages, you'll basically see the same thing. So in the first one, it shows, I smell the sweet roses. You are going to write the adjective, the describing word on the line. You'll do that for each of them, the word that is describing something. Then down at the bottom, these sentences have more than one adjective. So you're going to underline each one. And you are going to add commas in between the adjectives, the same way that I did. So you'll notice right now there are no commas. You're gonna put them there. Okay, so you're gonna underline the adjective and also put in the commas. And then same thing, page 192 is the same layout. Okay, so you're gonna look for the adjective in the sentence, write it on the line, do that for those. And then down here, you'll underline the adjectives and put commas in between them. Okay, have fun, guys. I'll see you later.